Command the digital office with our industry-leading IC3 GS5 certification course designed to elevate your professional productivity. Transform your daily workflow by mastering the essential tools used to manage data, documents, and professional communications with absolute precision. Sharpen your technical abilities through 57 hands-on labs, ensuring you gain the practical experience needed for real-world success. Navigate our comprehensive learning path featuring 7 core chapters, 47 clear objectives, and 37 practice quizzes to guarantee your mastery. Master 7 strategic modules, from advanced Word and Excel techniques to professional PowerPoint presentations and database management. Take control of your professional documents by learning to format complex files and analyze data with the precision that drives organizational efficiency. Unlock seamless teamwork and cloud integration as you learn to collaborate effortlessly with your colleagues using shared office tools. Validate your expertise and walk into the exam room with total confidence after completing our rigorous testing and simulations. Earn the industry standard certification that proves your software literacy and makes you a top candidate for leading global employers. Accelerate your career path to roles like administrative specialist, office manager, or operations coordinator with these high-demand skills. Start your certification journey today and invest in your future professional success for only $279.99. Need more details or have questions about your learning path? Reach out to our dedicated support team at support@uCertify.com.